Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are answering a big question. What exactly is business intelligence, or BI? If you work in corporate or are studying data, you hear this term everywhere. But what does it actually mean? Think of business intelligence as a translator. Imagine a company has massive mountains of raw data, sales numbers, customer clicks, inventory logs, and Excel sheets. If you look at that raw data, it's just noise. It's confusing. BI is the technology that takes the confusing noise and translates it into a clear story. It turns raw numbers into actionable insights that help managers make smart decisions. So how does it work? It really comes down to 3 simple steps. Step 1 is data collection. The software pulls data from everywhere: your company databases, cloud apps, and even spreadsheets. Step 2 is analysis. The system looks for patterns. It finds trends, like sales going up, or errors, like missing inventory. And step 3, which is the most important for humans, is visualization. The BI tool presents the findings in an easy-to-read dashboard, using charts, graphs, and heat maps, so that even non-technical people can understand exactly what is happening right now. Let's look at a real-world example to make this stick. Let's talk about retail, like a major coffee chain. A coffee chain might have a problem. They want to know why sales fluctuate during the day. Without BI, they just see a pile of receipts. But with a BI tool, they can analyze millions of transactions instantly. The insight. The data might show that while hot coffee sells best at 8 a.m., cold brew sales spike specifically at 2 p.m. The action. The company uses this insight to launch a happy hour promotion at 2 p.m. for cold drinks. They turn data into profit. That is business intelligence. Here is another example: logistics. Think of a major delivery service. If their trucks are constantly late in a specific city, they use BI to analyze GPS data and traffic patterns. The BI dashboard might reveal that 40% of delays are happening on one specific street due to long-term construction. The manager sees this on the dashboard, reroutes the drivers, and suddenly, delivery times improve by 15%. They fixed a problem they wouldn't have seen without the data visualization. If you want to get into this field, there are a few major tools you should know. The big players are tools from Microsoft, Tableau, and Click. To summarize, if a boss asks, "What happened last month?" they want a report. But if they ask, "Why did it happen and what should we do next?" they need business intelligence. I hope this clears up the concept of BI for you. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button for more tech explanations. See you in the next video.